Hi guys, welcome to our section how to find the linear regression equation in the Ti-84. In this video we're going to learn how to do it, a couple tricks, and I promise you we're going to have a lot of fun. Let's do it. Let's say that you need to find the regression line of this following data. You're going to have the values of x and the values of y. Okay, so how do we do this? In order to do this by hand, is very tedious. So we're gonna do it today in the calculator. Let's do it. Okay, so we have this data and we need to input it into the calculator. Go ahead and click the button Stat, and here you will have access to the list. So look how I do it. I click Enter. Before doing anything, we need to make sure that everything is clean. If not, you might be putting numbers that you didn't want to, and then your regression is going to be incorrect. Maybe someone used your calculator, maybe your brother was playing with your calculator, who knows. So in order to make sure that we always have the correct data, we're going to go ahead and clean this mess. So look, I'm going to go up where the L1 is, then go clear, and then enter. Awesome. Let's do it the same with L2. See how I need to be on top of L2. And then I go clear, enter, and now voila, it's clean. So let's go to L1, and I can do it here, doing this button. So I go 2, enter, 5, enter, 7, enter, 10, enter. Alright, now let's do list number 2. You move with this button, and then you go 4, enter, 9, enter, 10, enter, and finally 14, enter. Oops, I was testing you. Alright, now that I have my data, I double check it. Obviously this is easier when you have a small data, but sometimes you have like 20 points and you just want to get this over, but always try to double check. Now go to Stats again, and we're gonna move into Calc. Everything is, the movement all is done by this key. So I go to Calc, and look here, you have a couple things that you can use. I'm going to go ahead and go up to 4, so you can either move here or just press 4 and then click enter. By default, the calculator will use L1 as x and L2 as y. Now, if you use another list, let's say that you use list 3 or list 5, you can always call it by using these numbers here. Did you see how you have second L1 and then you can do it with a comma? And then second L2, bingo, and I click enter, and voila, I have my linear regression. Now here I have the slope. Remember, the slope is always the one next to the x, and I have my y-intercept, which is also the value of b. This is so cool because it will save you a lot of time. Finally, we can see that our answer is y equals 1.21x plus 2.01. Now you can see here that I round off my answer, and basically you can put as many decimals as you want. That's it. Don't forget to watch our other videos, and also thanks so much for learning.